Hello there, my name is Victor Isibor. I am back again with another make money online opportunity. This opportunity has the potential of paying you upwards of $25 per hour. However, this video is not for everybody. Let me tell you those that this video is for. Are you that person? You speak big grammar, yet you spend small money. Are you that person that if someone provokes you, you will insult that person so intelligently the person will not even know that you are insulting them because they don't know the meaning of the words you are using? Are you that person that when a lecturer asks a question, you are always the first person to raise your hand because you have answers to whatever question that the lecturer wants to ask? Are you that person that you are so good at your field, there is no question you cannot answer? Are you an authority in any field? You are very knowledgeable in any field at all. If that is you, then this video is for you. And for those that don't have anything in their head, don't worry, I will make a video for you. But this video is not for you. This video is for highly knowledgeable people in any field at all. Now, I will show you a secret website that will help you to monetize that your knowledge so that you will not just be speaking English for nothing. So that you will not just be using the jargons of your profession for nothing. You will be able to monetize your knowledge lucratively with this video. I'm going to share my screen now and give you step-by-step guide on how to go about it. Are you excited already? Then smash the like button so that the YouTube algorithm will know that this is a very good video. Begin to share this video with all those people that speak big grammar, all those geniuses, people with very high intelligence quotient that you know. Start sharing this video with them because they are going to benefit from it. Now, without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and reveal to you this secret website and the steps you need to take so that you can begin to cash out on this website. If you're ready, like I am, then let's go. Dada! Now, the website we're talking about is Studypool.com. Now, what is Studypool.com? Now, everything in this internet age has gone online. Okay? There was a time during the lockdown period that church services went online. People now order groceries online. Now, learning and academics has gone what? Online. So there are students from different parts of the world that are looking to learn online. So it only just makes sense for you to have teachers who would come and be teaching online as well. Now, you can see from the website, if you interact with the website, it says 24/7 study help. Get help with study questions from verified tutors. Okay, so students who have tough questions as homework, students who have challenges learning core academic lessons, they are able to come here, meet with verified tutors who are going to put them through. Now, you see, post a question. Now, for the students, they are willing to pay to get a share of your knowledge. So if you are knowledgeable, you will be able to make money from this platform. Now, let me tell you a few things about this platform, to get your mind prepared. This is not your typical online business. It's not for everybody. Like I said at the beginning of the video. Now, the minimum requirement for you to get this job, because this is a job, this is not your everyday kind of online business, MLM or network marketing. This is a job. Now, the minimum requirement is at least be a student of a college. You don't have to be a graduate. Be a student. Okay, because they believe that if you are a student, then maybe you will be knowledgeable in the areas where students may have challenges or questions. That's the minimum requirement. Of course, if you are a graduate, you stand a better chance. You should be able to at least prove the fact that you're a student of whatever institution you claim by tendering a valid ID card. Okay, and if you're a graduate, maybe your transcript or your certificate. All right, they said get access to over 20 million study documents from the node bank. Okay, now, so when you look at it very well, you will see that there are different areas where students ask questions from, and tutors can come and profess solution. You see programming, rocket science, linear algebra, mathematics, humanities, writing, and all that. So let's click on become a tutor. All right, then we would see what's in there. Now, they said you earn money by answering homework questions, and you can potentially earn up to 7,500 USD monthly working from home tutoring students. Now, the most interesting part of it, and I know you're excited, is when they said that they are now accepting tutors from all over the world. Because I know the questions that I'm going to be getting is, oh, is my country eligible? Now, the answer is there. And for those that are always, writing, oh, PayPal does not support my country in any make money online opportunity is this. The truth of the fact is that PayPal is paying some people in your country. Some people are receiving money via PayPal in your country. Now, the question is, how do they go about it? Now, a content creator in one video cannot solve all the problems and future challenges that is associated with that opportunity they're giving to you. Now, the basic mission of a content creator is to tell you what is possible. This is possible. Now, how you go about it is something that you're going to learn from experience. Now, content creation has made it possible for there to be virtually information about virtually every sort of challenge that you can have. There is no question that has no answer on the internet. So you can just go on YouTube and say how to get a PayPal account in XYZ country. I am certain there is a guide that you will find on how to get a PayPal. But as for Studypool, because it's a job, your negotiation with them matters. Some people could get their payments via Western Union, money transfer, and stuff like that. Okay, so the most important thing is that they are open to accepting tutors from all over the world. So if you're watching this video, you have zero excuse not to get on board. And now they say that they have the lowest fees. They charge 20% of your earnings. They said you can make some good money. And another very powerful thing they said here is that, this is flexible. There is no boss. There is no office. There are no targets. You work based on your own schedule as you like. Now, this basically simplifies the entire process of what this is all about. Okay, number one, the student asks questions. Number two, the tutors respond via text. Number three, students and tutors communicate via messenger. And number four, tutoring sessions are one-time / question based. All right, so if you are knowledgeable, you will make money here. And these are recent questions that were asked on the platform. You see, number one is offering $5, $15. These are questions that, if you know what you're doing, may not take you more than 10 minutes for you to satisfy the curiosity of that particular student. You see, this one is even religion, comparison of Islamic sacred texts, $20. Okay, this one is you see, child custody law questions. All right, this one is offering $32. It's quite juicy. I believe that those that are lawyers in the house, this student might be asking, okay, a girl child of 5-year-old of divorced parents, who should the child be with, the father or the mother? Okay, then you should be able to answer intelligently from the point of view of the law. Engineering stress and strain explanations with graph. All right, $40. If you're an engineering student like me and you understand stress and strain very well, you can interpret the graph and give them the answers to these questions. You see the money that you have on the table, and you can just make that, you see, moment of inertia explanation. Physics people, you can do that. You see, they have highest earners, and you can see that the highest earners on the platform so far, this person has earned over $93,000, over $91,000, over $79,000 that these particular people have earned. And I'm seeing stars here. What that tells you is that when you answer a student's question, if they are satisfied with your answer, they could probably even give you a star. And the higher your star rating, the higher your chances of getting picked when you're trying to answer a question. Like if I am paying to get answers, and I put up a question, and I see a 5-star tutor trying to answer that question and a 3-star tutor trying to answer that question, of course, there's a probability I'll go for the 5-star. Okay, so these stars build up as you build your reputation on the platform. Okay, and you see popular tutor countries. You see, popular tutor countries. They are available worldwide, but these countries are more popular. You see Canada, Malaysia, Pakistan, Ukraine, Zambia, India, Mexico, Philippines, US, Indonesia, Nigeria, all right, South Africa, all right, Vietnam. So there's a lot of people who work from home making thousands of dollars and living the life, and a lot of people think they are doing fraud. Okay, when people don't know your source, they start making funny assumptions. You see, top tutoring subjects. Where are you knowledgeable? Is it accounting, chemistry, law, programming, tech bro and tech cs? Okay, if you're a tech bro or a tech cs, you can get a job here as well. Studypool, okay, as a tutor. Statistics, algebra, computer science, management, psychology, writing, business, finance, health and medical, mathematics, science. Right. So the potential of earning money on this site is very high. Depends on how hardworking you are. Now back to the home page. Look at this sell docs. Sell docs. Let's click on it and see what that opens up to us with. All right, you see, another way you can make money from this site is you earn money by selling study documents. Earn up to 5,000 USD a month. We share your docs with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. I mean, isn't this mind-blowing? And they said that they accept documents in all languages. In all languages. You see, all those PDF files that you have about different wide range of topics and subjects. I mean, when you upload them here, there are students who are willing to pay to study those documents. All right. Okay. Now, here is how this one works. They said upload documents. 1. Class notes, old homework, exam, quiz, prep, zip files. You get approved. That is number 2. Then number 3, it gets viewed by students. Then you earn money. So basically, this platform offers you 2 opportunities to make money. When you tutor, you get paid. Then when you put up your documents and they get viewed, you also get paid as well. So you see top selling documents. You see introduction to terminology and body organization. You see times sold 734 times, just 9 pages. All right. Algebra integrals and integration notes, that one is also there. Medical, surgical, nursing notes and all that. See their top earners. Okay, they are there with the amount of money that they have made. Let me counterpunch. Let me give a conclusion to this. Now, this is a mind-blowing opportunity for people who have academic knowledge, to make money. I know a lot of intelligent people. I know a lot of intellectually mobile people who are broke because their 9 to 5 does not pay them well. Studypool is an opportunity for such people with such level of high intelligence quotient to make money. And apart from those that are, highly knowledgeable in different fields, when you have study materials, upload them here. When students view them, you earn $10 per view. Imagine your documents get viewed 100 times in a day. That's $1,000 sitting pretty in your bank account. Now, cash out is never a problem. I don't like it when people watch videos and they're talking about challenges with cash out, especially when people talk about, PayPal does not accept my country. That's not true. There is always a way around every problem. There are lots of people that use VPN and they are getting paid via PayPal. There is Payoneer. Okay, this is about negotiation. Studypool can send you a check if that is what you want. So withdrawal is not a problem on Studypool. It's about you applying, passing whatever test that is given to you online, answering relevant questions suitably and comfortably, getting approved as a tutor, and starting to work from home. That's the most important thing. So if you're watching this video, I hope you apply and, give the community a feedback about what your experience has been. Now, my videos for make money online opportunities are strictly for those who are unemployed or underemployed. A lot of us are busy with other things that is giving us money. But for those of you who are not making enough money, you're not satisfied, you're looking for extra ways to make money, there you go. So go ahead and tell us what your experience is with this platform. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend this video to a lot more people. Share this video within your social media community, because you don't know who you might be helping with this information. And of course, please subscribe. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.